everyone, a very warm welcome to this channel. My name is Fenifara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be cooking Mahambri, and for this recipe you need your wheat flour, some coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk, you can just use regular milk, sugar, cardamom, yeast, and some little bit of oil to knead, or you can just use regular margarine instead. You can begin by mixing all your dry ingredients together. Put in some sugar into the wheat flour, and then go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of yeast. That sachet is equivalent to 2 tablespoons of yeast. And then go ahead and put in your cardamom. The amount of cardamom really depends on you and what you like. And start kneading the flour with the other ingredients, that is the coconut milk or regular milk, and your butter or cooking oil. And I forgot to mention, the cooking oil is a little bit warm. After you're done kneading your flour, set it aside for it to rise for like an hour or so. Divide your dough into small balls. Go ahead and start making your Mahambri by rolling each ball into a circular shape and cutting it into 2, making 4 pieces, which will look like the shape of a Mahambri. And please don't roll it too much like you are rolling chapati. No, otherwise your Mahambri will have nothing inside. You know, we like calling it ikuwe na nyama hapo ndani. This is how they look like when you set them aside. You can cover them up and let the dough to rise even further before you start frying them. Pour some oil in a frying pan and let it heat. Start frying your Mahambris until they turn brown. Yum yum, they even smell amazing. Mahambris are now ready to feast. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know what you think of this video in the comment section down below. Goodbye.